With the storm tracker radar, and you could see in those boxes that we've got active skies and active conditions in different parts of the state. But as you take that look, Cache Valley, Weber County, Davis County, Salt Lake County, and now heading into Utah County, we've got snow, folks. It's still holding off in Provo, but Riverton seeing the changeover. Logan, Brigham City, all the way down through I-15 to Willa County, now dealing with snow. It is sloppy, wet snow, and the winds are blowing it around, impacting visibility at this hour. Provo, Payson, and down towards Nephi. Some mixed precipitation there. We know that this front is on the move, and it really means business. It's something that we have to keep our eye on. We're going to watch as this system continues to head south as we get through the next several hours, meaning that we will see colder air flooding into the central and southern portions of the state. So a heads up there. We also have to be mindful that down in southern Utah, we've got very, very gusty winds. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We also have rain in and around Milford, Beaver County, towards Nephi, and then on the eastern side of the state. So south of the front, we've got quieter conditions. Okay, a lot going on. We've been monitoring this for hours. As we take that live look, Cache Valley has seen the snow falling the longest. And as we take that view, guys in shorts, bold, Utahns out there because we've got road snow and road slush, and this is something that we've been keeping our eye on. But yeah, they're used to that snow up there in Cache Valley. We've got winter storm warnings in effect throughout the state. You're going to see them popping up here in pink, and it means that we've got winter storm with accumulating snow expected, winter weather advisories in purple, and you're going to be able to tell as that pops there where we're dealing with those alerts, and it means the Wasatch Front, because that kicked off at 5 o'clock. There we go. There's our purple over in Castle Country, the severe valleys, and then down into southern Utah, including towards Kane County. Now, travel definitely impacted tonight. We knew that would be the case. Road snow and the potential for road snow will hold on as we get through the next several hours and for your morning commute, which promises to be pretty sloppy, folks. We've been watching the transition from rain to snow, the cold air flooding in behind this strong cold front. So we've changed in northern Utah. It's currently changing in Salt Lake County. The front's heading south. Utah County now starting to see that mixed precip, and it will continue to stack and change things over with colder air as we get through midnight, the early morning hours tomorrow. For St. George, we could even mix in some flakes. How much is coming? That's the big question, and we're going to answer that coming up in my full forecast in just a few moments. A cold, strong winter storm has a grip on the Great Basin. Glenn, Emily, over to you.
All right.